इंडियन योगा एसोसिएशन को थैंक यू, और गुजरात चैप्टर की टीम को बहुत बहुत कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस कि ये 5th फाउंडेशन डे हमारा आज हम मना रहे हैं, और बहुत सारी एक्टिविटीज इतने सालों में हम कर रहे हैं, तो एक बहुत कृतज्ञता की भावना आती है हृदय में। तो आज के हम पहले स्पीकर को अभी आमंत्रित करना चाहेंगे, सुश्री मित्तल बेन कोटीचा शाह। मित्तल जी ने, मैं उनका थोड़ा एक परिचय देती हूँ उनको बुलाने से पहले। मित्तल जी ने अपनी अद्वितीय नेतृत्व क्षमता, नीतिगत दृष्टिकोण और मानवीय सेवाओं के प्रति गहरी प्रतिबद्धता में समाज में एक अपनी बहुत डीप इम्प्रेशन, एक छाप छोड़ी हुई है, और उन्होंने प्रोजेक्ट लाइफ को इसके मूल उद्देश्यों की सफलतापूर्वक दिशा में अग्रसर किया है। लीडरशिप क्वालिटीज आप मित्तल बेन को सुनेंगे तो आपको ऑटोमेटिकली एक फील आएगा, एक पावर है उनमें। और गत वर्ष 2020 में लाइफ ब्लड सेंटर को ISBT डेवलपिंग कंट्रीज अवार्ड प्राप्त हुआ, तो इसके पीछे मित्तल बेन की बहुत मेहनत रही है। उन्होंने ट्रांसकॉन 2002 जो जम्मू में हुआ, और ट्रांसकॉन 2022 एंड 23 लखनऊ में ऐसे प्रतिष्ठित मंचों पर अपने विचार साझा किए हुए हैं, और ये कार्य क्षेत्र में उसकी एक गहरी समझ इतने सालों में उन्होंने उजागर की है। IIM अहमदाबाद के एलुमनाई है, तो एक एजुकेशनल रिगर है और स्ट्रेटेजिक पर्सपेक्टिव है उनका, जो उनके हर एक कार्यों में उभर के आता है। करंटली इंडियन योग एसोसिएशन गुजरात चैप्टर के वे सीनियर वाइस चेयरपर्सन के रूप में योग को जन जन तक पहुंचाने में एक बहुत बड़ा भाग प्ले कर रहे हैं। तो मैं इनवाइट करूंगी मित्तल जी को। मित्तल जी, वेलकम।
Thank you, Molly ji. I think you spoke a lot about me. It was not that much, you know. So, thank you all, respected yoga gurus, yoga practitioners, and well-wishers. Namaskar. It is truly my great privilege and honor to be with you all to celebrate the 5th Foundation Day of our Indian Yoga Association Gujarat chapter. And this year's theme is Yoga for Lifestyle Management. Perfectly address one of the biggest challenge of our modern times. In today's busy and stressful world, and with the irregular routines, our physical and mental health is badly affected. As you all know, yoga gives us hope, guiding us towards a healthier and more balanced life, helping us to improve in our overall lifestyle. So today I would like to talk about the benefits of the yoga for lifestyle management. Let's break down into a simple points for our better understanding. So I would like to here mention point number 1 is better physical health. So yoga strengthens and keeps our body healthy. Regular practice can help control conditions like obesity, diabetes, and high blood pressure. For example, Surya Namaskar not only improves the flexibility but also boosts our energy levels. Point number 2, I want to speak about improved mental health. So stress and worry are common issue in today's world. Yoga techniques like pranayam and meditation helps to calm the mind and promote positive thinking and create a sense of relaxation. In point 3, we can talk about stress relief. Life can be full of challenges and stress impacts all of us. Yoga, especially through breathing exercise and meditation, helps us find peace and maintain mental stability. Now next is better lifestyle choices. Yoga is not just about physical activity. It teaches us how to live a healthier life. It promotes good habits such as eating balanced meals, managing time effectively, and getting enough rest. In point number 5, we can say spiritual balance. So yoga connects us with our inner selves. Practice like Yoga Nidra and meditation help us reflect, leading to inner peace and true happiness. So friends, now let me share some practical ways to incorporate yoga into our daily lives. We can start our day with simple yoga stretches and breathing exercise. It is always a refreshing way to wake up your body and mind. And secondly, make healthy eating, and it should be a part of our regular routine. A balanced diet is key to overall well-being. Set aside some time for regular meditation as well. It helps us to calm our body, calm our mind, and reduces our stress as well. We can try practicing yoga with our family also. It's always a great way to build healthy habits together and strengthen our family bonding. So let's all commit making yoga a regular part of our lives and sharing its benefit with the others. So we can say we can adopt yoga, embrace wellness, and enjoy healthier, happier, and more balanced lifestyle. So friends, I will not speak much about it because we have so many speakers line up. But I just wanted to congratulate to everyone. And as we come together to celebrate the 5th Foundation Day of our Indian Yoga Association Gujarat chapter, and this milestone will reflect the dedication and collective efforts of all involved in making this journey remarkable. I would like to conclude my topic by emphasizing the significance of incorporating yoga into our daily lives. Together, with dedication and collective efforts, we can contribute to creating a healthy community. Thank you once again. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thank you.